The heat treatment. Austenitizing interactive calculator determines optimal heat treatment parameters for steel processing. Let's review the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate austenitizing temperature, calculate holding time, calculate required heating rate, estimate austenite grain size, calculate carbon diffusion distance, or calculate transformation completion time. I'm using calculate austenitizing temperature. Next, choose prior microstructure, ferrite perlite, bainite, or tempered martensite. I've selected ferrite perlite. Enter your steel composition, carbon content in weight percent, chromium content, manganese content, and nickel content. Input section thickness in millimeters, target temperature in Celsius, starting temperature, and heating time available in minutes. For this example, I'm using 0.45% carbon, 1.0% chromium, 0.75% manganese, 0.3% nickel, 25 mm section thickness, 850 degree target temperature, 20 degree starting temperature, and 45 minutes heating time. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 934.4 degrees Celsius with a secondary parameter range of 914 to 1034 degrees Celsius. The calculator provides AC1 temperature at 746.6 degrees and AC3 temperature at 884.4 degrees. The process status confirms an optimal austenitizing temperature range, with recommendations to hold at temperature for 1 hour per inch of section thickness using protective atmosphere to prevent decarburization. This tool streamlines heat treatment planning for consistent results. Find the link in the description below.